Hi, welcome back on the Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to enable the developer options into your HUAWEI P Smart Pro. To this operation, go to the settings here, go down and check for systems here. And now let's check it out in about the phone. And I need to build number here option. And you can tap few times here and you're gonna see you are in the developer option. So now get back here and you're gonna see new option here, developer options, and there is a plenty of new option. Hide that into your phone, so be careful to do, but you already can edit many of options if you're on your phone. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!